Hey guys, welcome home. I'm Ray. I'm taking a quick break from the living room makeover series that I've been doing here on YouTube. I had a little idea for my breakfast nook, and it could have gone very wrong. This space felt unfinished, and I wanted to see if I could completely transform it using paint, wallpaper, trim, and of course, styling. Basically, can a tiny corner actually change how your whole home feels? We're about to find out. Here are a few pictures of when we first bought the house and how it kind of looked. I had to redo it right away because I was just sick of looking at it. This is the paint color that I used, Garden Essential, I believe it was. And I painted it in here and I lightened it, probably let 50% or something. So I did do that. If you've watched any of my other videos, especially my living room transformation, part 1 and part 2, I ended up using this same wallpaper in the living room, and I really, really like it. It's from Target, and I'll link it below. But I used it in like some strategic parts of my living room and dining room area, since they're kind of all one, kind of flow together, I guess. So I kind of wanted to repeat the same wallpaper, the same pattern in this room to kind of give my house more of that, cohesiveness, that cohesive flow. And that's kind of one good thing you can do, is kind of repeat patterns in your house to give it that flow. Okay, so we are so close to the finish line and it's already looking pretty good, but we're not done yet. It still needs curtains, styling, and I'm adding a chair rail molding to really pull everything together. I really feel like these last details are what's gonna make this space. I also went on Etsy and I got this artwork and I really think it's so cute with this frame, this like more landscape frame. I just love the copper details. So these are the curtains from 2 pages, and I really love these. They feel really, really nice, and the color is in gray beige. I did think they were going to be a bit more beige, but that's okay. If you're not ready to leave, I've picked another video just for you right here.